listen to Rustin, can't listen to Marin. It's getting depressing riding around in this car. Try to tell you a story, baby, you just ignore me. Unless I'm patting your back, calling all the rest hacks, you're the brightest star. I'm a little tired of the measuring stick. If I wasn't in love, I'd call you kind of a dick. There's a long list of those who did you wrong, but I can't keep track, it's so damn long. I can't wait to fly myself back to LA. I'll be singing out Dying Star night and day. Nashville's not as cool as it used to be. Or maybe it's your broken air conditioning. You say it's survival, it's got you acting like a child. You say it's your ex-wife, who stole the best of your life. And your dad's got no taste, and your sister is basic, but you'll scoop up their handouts while making fun of their A6. And you're always the victim of some much bigger system. And this car's getting hotter as your singing gets louder. Could we take a break and listen to the radio? I've heard this song 25 times in a row. And baby, it's a demo from a decade ago. This Honda seems to suck the life right out of me. Or maybe it's your broken air conditioning. I'm so tired, 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 I'm so tired. I'm a little tired of the measuring stick. If I wasn't in love, I'd call you kind of a dick. I'm a little tired of the broken shower, of the IRS, of the lack of sex. I'm so tired I can't get out of bed. You're sure it's my fault, it's all in my head. Oh, I can't wait to find myself back to LA. I'll be singing, bombing cigarettes the whole way. Nashville's not as cool as it used to be. Or maybe it's your broken air